Hi, this is Darren from 1KADaystrategies.com with a review of EpicFunnels from Billy Dar. EpicFunnels is a funnel software based on Billy Dar's experience of starting at zero and then generating $5 million in sales. So with his experience of generating such a high volume of high converting funnel pages, Billy Dar's put together all his experience into what it says here: you're 3 clicks away from done for you funnels that get you free traffic, leads and sales in 30 seconds. So if this is of any interest to you, the opening gambit for EpicFunnels is that it starts, you can pick it up for $17. So if this is of any interest to you, keep watching. I'll go in a bit more depth. Below this video there's a link, if you watch it on YouTube, to my review page. On my review page there is a full demo that you can see here, so you can watch it from start to finish. It's quite a comprehensive system that includes all the lead generation, reporting, marketing, tracking your Google ads. It covers quite a wide range of tools, all within one platform. To go with it, I've got a series of bonuses which I'll just go through. As it's a funnel platform, one of the things that you need when you've got a funnel, when you've got offers that you are promoting, you definitely need traffic. So bonus number 1 is hack buyer traffic in 24 hours. It gives you a full training on how to get buyer traffic within 24 hours to your funnels. Bonus number 2 is a training, a hack of how you can go from 100 to 1K a day. It's a complete newbie blueprint. Bonus number 3, as I say, getting traffic to your funnel is of the highest importance. So with bonus number 3, it's got automatic traffic siphon for social media, so that you can automate generating traffic to your funnels, each and every one that you create from social media. Bonus number 4 gives you what you need to how to 10x your commissions. So by getting traffic to your EpicFunnels here, you will be able to get additional traffic. And the purpose of getting traffic to your funnels, particularly if you're doing affiliate marketing, is so that you can get commissions, so that you can get sales. With bonus number 4, you'll be able to increase the commissions that you get, 10x your commissions with a certain tried and tested and proven process and technique. With bonus number 5, with all these, once you get somebody into your funnel, part of the process is capturing their email address, capturing their details so that you can follow up. And the beauty of following up is that it's better to leverage previous success. So with bonus number 5, there's over 2,000 email swipes that are already proven, tried and tested, and have generated sales, have generated income, have generated commissions for affiliates. So with this bonus number 5, you get everything that you need to plug into your EpicFunnels to be generating additional and further ongoing income. With bonus number 6, you'll get access to a viral quiz funnel software. So with EpicFunnels, you can create a wide range of proven, tried and tested funnels. It's one thing having the software, it's another thing to have the setup and the templates that are already proven to work. So basically you can swipe Billy Dar's funnels that already have been proven to work, that he himself has learnt from, that is generating 5 million in sales. You, within the EpicFunnels, you get access to these tried and tested proven funnels, but with bonus number 6 you'll also get the additional software that uses the power of quizzes, viral quizzes that get shared, that you get people through the front end and they share them and they do the selling of your offers, selling of your funnels for you by sharing them with everyone else. With bonus number 7, if you're going to be promoting affiliate products such as the the launches that you get on JVZoo or that you get on Warrior Plus, you obviously need to have a JVZoo or Warrior Plus account set up. So with bonus number 7, it's going to be a training to show you how to set up your affiliate accounts the right way, so that it helps you get your approvals for your links. It gets you access to the links for the products that you're going to promote, so that you can actually get paid commissions each time a sale occurs. And bonus number 8, you get full access to all the vendor bonuses. I'm not going to go through all the vendor bonuses, but it ranges from affiliate marketing for beginners all the way through to Facebook, 6-minute marketing, secrets of marketing with social networking sites, the power of network marketing, Twitter marketing, video marketing, etc, etc. So to get access to all these bonuses to go with EpicFunnels, all you need to do is, if you're on YouTube, just click the link just below this video. The first link will take you to my bonus page, my review page here. On this review page, all you need to do is to click any of these yellow buttons. They will take you to EpicFunnels, where you can pick it up. The price is gradually increasing, but as you can see right now, it's $17. You can click to purchase. You'd end up on a Warrior Plus page, as you can see, sale here, $17.07. So once you've picked up through Warrior Plus, you will get an email from Warrior Plus. You would just log in, you'd click on the link in your email from Warrior Plus, click on the product once you get to your Warrior Plus account, and once you see the product, you've got the green button to click to access your copy of EpicFunnels, and then you've got the blue button to access all the bonuses that have been listed here. Now obviously you can read the sales page in your own time just by clicking any of these yellow buttons on my review page. It says you're 3 clicks away from done for you funnels, and that's the beauty about these, they're done for you funnels, so that they're already proven, tried and tested funnels that Billy Dar's using himself. Free traffic in 30 seconds built in. It suggests no hosting, no coded, no design needed, 3-figure a day tutorials included, so you get the training and there's no monthly fees. Now many of these funnel builders, they have charges ranging from $99 through to $299 just to that's with Clickfunnels, but there are other funnel builders. Other funnel builders, they will sell you the product, the funnel software, but you have to pay extra to have proven and converting funnels. So whatever price you pay for a funnel builder or a funnel software, the key will always lie with the actual funnels themselves, which is what you get with EpicFunnels. You've already got done for you funnels that are already tried, tested and proven to work, because if you're sending traffic to a funnel that doesn't work, it's wasted time, it's wasted energy, and it's wasted money if you're using paid traffic. What it says is you, in 3 steps, you log into EpicFunnels, the web-based software, so it works on any computer from any browser. Number 2, a ready-made done-for-you funnel is available. You select which one you want, click activate to get the free viral traffic, leads and sales. It suggests in 30 seconds, because it takes you 30 seconds to get it done up and running. And as I say, you can go through this sales page in your own time. They are built as viral funnels, they're already proven and tested, and that's the key with the big multi-millionaire marketers. They make their money from having proven, tested, refined funnels, which is what you get with EpicFunnels. A wide range of funnels, even giveaway contest funnels that are fully editable and usable for all types of purposes. You get a dashboard that gives you all the stats, so you can monitor everything that happens through each and every funnel that you create. There are a choice of pre-made funnels. They're all made with either 3 steps or 4 steps, already tried and tested, ranging from general templates, local consulting, Amazon raffle examples, make money online templates, auto dealership templates, real estate templates, restaurant owner templates. So these are funnels that you can use for yourself, for your own promos, but you can also use them for local businesses, and local businesses are quite hungry for people to provide them services where they can get converting traffic, converting leads. So as such as the free Amazon gift card approach. You've got a landing page, a survey page, a thank you page, etc., etc. Built into it, you've got your email follow-up systems, which with bonus number 5, you get a full series, over 2,000 email swipes of proven, tried and tested follow-up series of emails that you can just plug and play within your system. From within the all-in-one dashboard, you can get to review all the leads that you've generated, whether it's for your business or if you're offering at a service. You can move the leads from the entry of your funnel. You can move them from being a hot lead, closing the lead and fulfilling the lead. It gives you a full tracking system from start to finish. Not just about funnels, it's complete lead management, and every business needs proper lead management. It says this is perfect for you if you want done for you sales funnels in 3 clicks, if you're lazy but want fast results, if you're sick and tired of failing, you want something that really works as you've proven tested, and you want a system that produces both sales, traffic and sales, EpicFunnels has what you are looking for, is what the sales page suggests. Use it with any platform: Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank, Pay.com, Amazon, eBay, Stripe, PayPal, Shopify. You've got everything built in and compliant and integrates well with all these platforms. You can use it for affiliate products, CPA products, high ticket products, and so much more. You apply yourself. Not everyone takes action. The key is actually taking action. So this provides you the tools, and with the bonuses, it helps you generate the traffic that you need. But as I say, if you want to go through a full demo of the software, just click the link below this video. If you're on YouTube, you'll get to my review page, and just near the top of the review page there's a full demo video that you can play there. It says EpicFunnels, amazing funnel builder at one-time price, so there's no monthly fees, 1 click, drag and drop, viral funnel, built-in free viral traffic capabilities, the only funnel builder your customers will need. It's only $17, so just for $17 you're going to pick up all these bonuses as well, and you'll get access to this funnel. The software, in short, gives your customers everything they need, gives you everything you need to generate and create high converting sales funnels easily in just a few clicks. It does have upsells, so upsell number 1 is you get the unlimited edition. The unlimited edition means that you get EpicFunnels, and you can have multi-funnels, unlimited usage, unlimited traffic and sales. It also comes with additional tutorials. The biggest thing about upsell number 1, I would suggest upsell number 1 is worth picking up if it fits your budget, but unlimited usage is great, but the biggest bonus is unlimited traffic. Virtually every one of the funnels that's out there, all of these funnel builders have limits, have cut-off points as in relation to the amount of traffic that you can send to them. The beauty about EpicFunnels, if you pick up upsell number 1, you get unlimited traffic. Virtually every one of them, including Clickfunnels and all the other funnel builders, do not give you unlimited traffic. You are limited, and you have to jump up to the next monthly payment level to get unlimited traffic. So I would suggest that this is it's a no-brainer at $17, but I would suggest that if you're planning on generating decent income, if you're planning on promoting affiliate offers or doing this as a service to other businesses, upsell number 1 is almost a no-brainer. Upsell number 2, the traffic edition. The traffic edition of EpicFunnels lets you unlock additional traffic features for even more free viral traffic. On the sales page it will explain a bit more about that in detail. Upsell number 3, the done for you edition. This upgrades you for even more done for you traffic and sales. And upsell number 4, 100k funnel edition. The 100k funnel edition lets you instantly import a funnel template that has done over $100,000 in sales for Billy Dar personally. You can instantly edit it, customize it, and use the templates for your own business to get traffic, leads and sales. And upsell number 5, the ATM edition. So the team at EpicFunnels, the team with Billy Darr. They set up your funnels for you. Says not only is the funnel completely set up, but we also include autoresponder integration, so you can integrate it with external autoresponders and you can get the Squeeze pages set up, follow-up emails added, and additional traffic tutorials. So if EpicFunnels sounds like a fit for you at the price of $17, it's well worth having in one's arsenal. The key benefits are it's drag and drop editor, tried and tested funnels from a $5 million marketer, no monthly fees, training and tutorials, no experience needed, and you pick up all these bonuses as being listed. So if you have any questions, feel free to post them below this video. If you're on YouTube, feel free to like this video or hit subscribe. It always helps with the YouTube algorithm. That's Darren from 1KADaystrategies.com, and I'll speak to you soon.